Watch this.
To be real, just an experiment. They randomly selected students and assigned them roles.
I created this Stickman animation in minutes inside Calliope Labs AI without juggling between different tools. Stickman Explainer is an undertapped YouTube niche with channels like Zen earning thousands of dollars every month making such videos. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to clone viral Stickman Explainer channels step by step using Calliope Labs. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First, we need to set up our channel inside Calliope. You can choose whether you want to create long-form videos or shorts. Then, you can define your niche, choose your target audience, and select the visual style for your videos. Once everything is filled in, click Generate Channel. Now that the channel is ready, let's move on to the fun part. Open YouTube and look for Stickman animation channels that are already getting strong results. So instead of guessing what style might work, we're going to model something that's already proven. To do that, copy the URL of a Stickman animation video you like. Then head back into Calliope and open the Style Extraction tool. Paste the video URL and click Analyze. The system will spend about a minute studying the visual style, scene composition, and animation approach. Once the analysis is complete, Calliope automatically creates a reusable style template, so you can create completely different videos while maintaining a style that's already proven to perform. Now let's create some motion graphics. To do that, head over to Videos and open Graphics Lab. Inside Graphics Lab, simply describe the graphic you want. For example, I asked for a bold full-screen title reveal with a pop-in animation, a subtle animated background, and a pop-up sound effect when the text appears. After doing a few iterations, Calliope generates a reusable motion graphic that you can use across all your future videos. Once you're happy with the result, simply save it. Next, you'll see a frequency setting. This determines how often Calliope automatically inserts the graphic throughout your video. For example, if you set the frequency to high, Calliope may display your title animation every minute or so to reinforce key points and keep viewers engaged. This is especially useful for highlighting important ideas, section transitions, or recurring messages without having to manually add graphics during editing. Once everything looks good, save the settings and move on. Now it's time to generate the actual Stickman animation video. Click Next and paste in your script. Next, choose your narration voice. Calliope supports multiple voice options, including 11 Labs voices. You can also clone your own voice if you want. Before generating, I always recommend previewing the narration first. If something sounds off, you can edit individual sections and regenerate only those parts instead of redoing everything. Once you're happy with the narration, click Generate. Before the generation begins, Calliope will ask for a visual reference. You have a few different options here. You can upload your own character, create a custom character, or simply let Calliope generate one automatically. I will choose Automatic Generation, so Calliope will create a character automatically and use the same character consistently throughout the entire video whenever the script requires them. This helps maintain consistency across scenes, and if you don't like the first result, simply generate another version until you're happy with it. Then click Continue. Once the generation finishes, you'll see all your scenes inside the timeline. Take a moment to review everything. Check the visuals, character consistency, transitions, and overall flow of the video. Now, let's say you want to modify one of those graphics. Simply click on it. You can move it, replace it, delete it, or customize it further. If you want to change any part of the video, click on Retry Clip and describe your changes. Calliope will generate an updated version based on your instructions. You're also not limited to AI-generated assets. You can upload your own images, stock footage, videos, logos, and custom graphics. You can trim and split clips, adjust timing, add gaps, and rearrange assets however you like. The editor also includes several additional tools. You can add captions, customize fonts, change subtitle positions, insert watermarks, and add extra sound effects wherever needed. You can even preview sound effects directly from the sidebar before placing them into the timeline. Once everything is done, click on Confirm and Render. Alright, let's take a look at the final result.
It felt like a game. The guards wore uniforms, mirrored sunglasses, and carried themselves like authority had always belonged to them. The prisoners were booked, stripped of their...
I think it came out pretty good. The Stickman animations stay consistent throughout the video. The graphics fit nicely into the scenes. You can also generate thumbnails based on existing styles as well, which makes the entire YouTube workflow much more streamlined. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Calliope Labs does not offer a free plan. The starter plan begins at $39 per month and includes 3,900 credits to create up to 20 minutes of animated videos. Overall, creating Stickman animation videos is much easier on Calliope Labs than juggling 10 different tools for scripting, animation, voiceovers, graphics, and editing. The results are professional and you can easily clone viral channels for guaranteed success. So, try out Calliope Labs using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.